I'm standing in front of one of the icons of Rotterdam. I don't see it. What is it? It's the world's first tunnel to consist of rectangular concrete sections that they let
Trust me, it's a historic and revolutionary tunnel.
It's the oldest traffic tunnel in the Netherlands.
In the 1930s, the river separating the northern part of Rotterdam from the southern parts became so busy
that the only bridge, this one, had to be opened so often that it could no longer handle the traffic.
Get out of the way with your philosophy.
The ferries couldn't get any further either. So it was clear a new fixed connection had to be built. A bridge would be too expensive because it would have to be 60 meters high in order not to hinder the shipping traffic from the port. So it was decided to build a tunnel. It would consist of 2 tunnels for car traffic, one for cyclists and one for pedestrians. Construction started in 1937 and the tunnel was ready to open in 1942. And as you probably know, that was during the Second World War. The management did not want the opening to become a party of the Nazis and decided 50 minutes before the official opening to open the tunnel on the other side, after which 3 boys curiously walked into the tunnel and thus became the first users. When the tunnel was opened, it contained the second set of escalators in the Netherlands, which are still in use today, making them the oldest working escalators in the Netherlands. These are specially designed so that you can take your bike with you. The wood ensures that you still have a grip when the escalator is wet, and the width ensures that your bike fits on it. In addition to the escalators, the tunnel also has 1 elevator per side. But in the 1950s, the 2 sets of 4 escalators and the 1 elevator turned out not to be enough, causing long queues.
In the following years, the car use grew and these bicycle and pedestrian tunnels fell into disrepair. It became an unsavory place where bumps and such people lived.
But in the 1990s, surveillance was put in place and it has become a safe tunnel again. Today about 75,000 motor vehicles and a large number of cyclists and pedestrians use the tunnel daily, making the Maastunnel an important part of Rotterdam's road network. At least as long as no truck driver goes through the height detection sensors, which closes the entire car tunnel. This happens at least several times a day and it takes about 5 to 10 minutes for the tunnel to open again, so it's a serious problem.
The system of lowering tunnel sections into the riverbed turned out to be so successful that it has been used many times, as seen in this video.
Thanks to all my subscribers, you are the tunnel for my traffic problem, and I see you the next video.